Imagine living in a country where the sun never sets. Day and night lose their meaning as sunlight shines continuously for weeks, even months. Believe it or not, there are places on Earth where night never truly arrives. Imagine looking at your clock at midnight and still seeing the sun shining brightly in the sky. This incredible natural phenomenon is called the midnight sun. In today's video, we'll explore the countries where this amazing phenomenon occurs, discover why it happens, and take a look at what life is like for the people who live there. So, let's get started. Number 1. Norway. One of the most famous countries experiencing the midnight sun is Norway, often considered one of the most beautiful countries in the world. From late May to late July, the sun doesn't set for nearly 90 consecutive days in parts of northern Norway. Because much of the country lies above the Arctic Circle, this phenomenon occurs every summer. During this period, daylight lasts for around 20 hours, and even when the sun dips lower, it never completely disappears below the horizon. That means you can clearly see the sun even at 12 o'clock midnight. It's truly an unforgettable sight. Number 2. Sweden. Next is Sweden. Compared to many northern countries, Sweden has a relatively mild climate. In the northern parts of the country, the sun remains visible for long periods during summer. Even around midnight, the sun only dips slightly before rising higher again by around 4 am. During this season, Swedes celebrate the famous Midsummer Festival, spending time outdoors with music, dancing, family gatherings, and late-night celebrations under the bright sky. Number 3. Finland. Finland enjoys around 70 days each summer without a sunset in its northern regions. That's why it's often called the land of the midnight sun. It's also known as the land of 1,000 lakes, thanks to its countless beautiful lakes. Summer is the perfect time to visit Finland, attracting tourists from all over the world. Since daylight lasts almost all day, many people sleep less and enjoy outdoor activities much longer. Interestingly, the opposite happens during winter, when parts of Finland experience weeks of darkness with very little sunlight. Number 4. Iceland. Iceland is one of Europe's least densely populated countries. During the summer months from May through July, many parts of Iceland experience nearly 24 hours of daylight. In the capital city, Reykjavik, the sky remains bright even at midnight. Locals call this magical season the White Nights. Every year, millions of visitors travel to Iceland to witness this breathtaking natural wonder. Number 5. Canada. Canada, the world's second largest country, also experiences the midnight sun in its northern regions. Places like Nunavut enjoy continuous daylight for several weeks between May and July. This is one of the best times for adventure lovers to explore Canada's stunning Arctic landscapes, wildlife, and breathtaking natural scenery. Number 6. Alaska. Although Alaska is a state rather than a country, it's one of the most famous places on Earth for the midnight sun. Covered with snow and breathtaking wilderness, Alaska experiences nearly continuous daylight from May through June. In some areas, the sun sets only briefly before rising again less than an hour later. That's why Alaska is often called the land of the midnight sun. During winter, however, the opposite occurs. Parts of Alaska experience around 65 to 70 days without the sun rising at all. This period is known as the polar night. Why does this happen? The reason is actually quite simple. The Earth revolves around the sun while being tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees on its axis. Because of this tilt, regions near the North Pole and South Pole receive continuous sunlight during certain times of the year. As a result, countries located within or near the Arctic Circle can experience 24 hours of daylight during summer and extended periods of darkness during winter. That's the fascinating science behind the incredible phenomenon known as the midnight sun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing facts from around the world.